Do you have a property in Southern California that's in probate and you don't know if you should sell the property for cash or to make minimal repairs to a financed offer? If you do, stick around and I'll show you how we help this family with this property in probate. All right, so this is a full authority probate in the city of Corona. The first time I met with the administrator, the first assessment was, what are we going to do with all of the personal items in the property? We recommended to this administrator an estate sale company. The estate sale company gave them a business proposal, and the administrator selected to just have the person remove the personal items. Based on the estate sale company, they had suggested that it was going to cost more than just having someone remove the personal items. Step number 2, when we viewed the property, we had a couple things that were gonna prohibit the property from qualifying for a financed offer. Number 1, we had drywall that was damaged in the ceiling in the living room, and we had drywall damage in the bathroom and a bedroom. All of it was due to prior leaks with the plumbing. So what I told the administrator, I said, hey, look, in order to qualify for financing, you can't have a property that has holes on the wall with the drywalls. It's considered a substandard and not livable. So we had a contractor come out, make sure that there were no more leaks with the plumbing, and then the drywall was repaired in both the ceiling in the living room, the bathroom, and the bedroom. They tried to color match the paint as best as they could, and that was resolved. The third item that we needed to resolve was the cracked tiles. But once everything was removed, we noticed that we had about a foot or 2 feet of damaged ceramic tile on the kitchen countertop. And again, had a conversation with the seller. We need to have that repaired, that we're gonna shoot for an end user that's gonna buy it with a financed offer. And that's exactly what we did. We had our contractor come, give a nice estimate. The tile was repaired and it looked like nothing had ever happened before. Now the property was ready for the cleaning crew to come in to clean the property and then have our videographer and our photographer come and do the video, take the drone shots, and prepare this property with the 3D tour for Zillow Showcase so we can really maximize the exposure for this property, because as we know, 80% of the home buyers are finding the property on their phones. So when you're ready to sell your property in probate and you want to make sure you have a game plan that ensures you maximize what you get for your property in probate, don't hesitate. Contact Marcos and I. Our information is below.